Your Venmo card may be declining due to several reasons. One common issue is insufficient funds or exceeding the weekly transaction limit. If the combined balance of your Venmo card and linked bank accounts is inadequate, the card will be declined. To avoid this, it's essential to monitor your balance, especially when using multiple linked accounts, and check the account balance before making a transaction. Additionally, Venmo has weekly transaction limits, and if these limits are reached, the card will be declined, requiring an alternative payment method to complete the transaction. Technical problems can also cause card declined issues. Glitches such as app malfunctions, outdated software, or unstable internet connections can lead to declined transactions. Updating the app to the latest version, restarting the app, and rebooting the router can help resolve internet-related issues. In some cases, technical glitches may be due to Venmo's internal fraud detection, and contacting their support team may be necessary to resolve the issue. Another reason for a declined Venmo card is a block by the card issuer or bank, often due to suspicious activity, such as large transactions. To resolve this, it's necessary to contact the bank or card issuer's customer support, verify ownership of the card and account, and request that the block be lifted. By understanding these potential reasons, you can take steps to resolve the issue and ensure successful transactions with your Venmo card.